I'm gonna go in the front more. Yeah, like right here, this is the exit. Better because we're close to the exit. So guys, he does a really good job on the cooler. I'm on a diet. Oh. Yes, what he said. I can eat McDonald's, but not too much. I mean, like once a month, once a week. I couldn't be eating too much. Oh my god, you guys, look at that. That's the bus that we ride. Dang guys, I ain't heard tonight. You guys are not gonna like a really long time. But dang it. And everyone in the subway, guys. So wish me luck. And guys, if I don't make it out alive, then they that make a rip, alright? See. We're gonna take the dang R train, guys, because apparently the R train is the only dang area, only dang train that's right dang now.
Attention passengers, 3 trains are not running between Bowling Green and Louisville Avenue because of track maintenance. 3 trains will replace 4 trains in Brooklyn. For service to the 4 line at 14th Street, transfer to the 4 train.
Okay, guys, I think we might so it doesn't say it's the R train, guys. Look at it, guys, there's a damn maintenance track. So the 4, the 2 and the 3 trains are in maintenance. Will not, the 4 train will not serve this station all weekend. Please take the 2 and the 3. The 3 train will run to Newlands Avenue all weekend. The 4 train will be available at 14th Street. Reminder, the 5 doesn't run in Brooklyn on weekends. Damn. April 30/May 3, May 7/10, May 14/17, Friday 9:30 p.m. to Monday 5 a.m. Dang, guys, this is crazy. I don't care, guys, if this is gonna be like a death screen or like I'm too young today. I don't care, guys, about these damn things. Never mind, guys, never mind. Look at that, guys. Maintenance. Mira, Hennessy. Don't tiren de eso, es dos lados. What we're gonna do is like take the dang. Okay, guys, we're gonna take the dang R train because the R train is a bit good. Look at that, guys. There's a dang work train. Good thing that the MTA is doing the job to fix the damn tracks and replace them, because like there could be damn dirt and damn broken down tracks. Dang, look at that. Damn, the 2 and 3 already took those damn trains. The R train, guys, is really damn good. Dang.
2, 3, 2 and 3 is not working.
No, none of them.
Is R3.
No, none of them are, because look, honestly, look. This is where the 2, the 3, and the 4 and 5 will be at.
Oh.
But this is apparently closed. They're doing that maintenance on the damn tracks. Remember what that A train we saw? There was work, and the train's going slow. That's what's happening in each station. Alright, so what we're gonna do, guys, is take the damn R train. Court Street, guys. Guys, we gotta keep down walking. Oh my gosh, guys. No wonder. My friends say, don't ever do this. Don't guys, please see this, guys. Doesn't matter, dang happen. Damn, but this could be damn safe on the subway. Dang, look at that, guys. It's under us. Our train's under us. But guys, what train comes here? Guys, a train is coming. Court Street and Brooklyn. Nadie va a llevar el tren. Eso no es. Miren, the R train. R train right here. Wait, don't tell the thing R.
You want R or
The R. Because the dang R train is the only dang option. Here, guys. We're at the dang area.
the R is there? There.
So this is a really dang walk. Forest Hills, 8 minutes. Look at that dang, guys. A long dang walk. We're going to end this video. Peace.